Okay guys, today we'll be doing a kayak vlog. That lake over there, Noah's getting the kayak ready. These are our snacks. This is our waters. And Noah's kind of raging over the kayak.
I'm triggered.
And to answer Caleb's question, well, okay, yeah. How I hurt my wrist thing. I have...
He asked what happened to it. He didn't ask how.
Oh, what happened to it? I broke a bone that was like right in the middle of here. It's like a small bone. It's supposed to heal pretty quickly. But yeah, I'm supposed to be wearing this till Sunday and I'll feel better. So yeah, and I think I hurt it boxing, but I'm not sure. So yeah, we'll see you when we get to the lake. Peace.
He's going in right now. I'm about to go in. The water actually feels pretty nice.
Rip Mr. Weeks kayak.
Don't freak it up, Noble. Do you want to push?
No, I'm huge. Oh, we're in. Almost.
Look at him go!
Yeah.
God, this is...
I did it. Okay, we're off.
Alright, here, I'm about to slip you guys in a secret compartment. I'll tell you when I'm off, okay?
Okay, guys, I'm going into the freaking...
Wait for the camera. Here, guys, I'm going to put you in the secret compartment. Have fun with my socks. Don't worry, I'll be back. So, you didn't have to in the first place. Oh, yeah! Give them to me. The wafers are in the cardboard box. Exactly. Don't go through the fountain then. I'm going in the fountain. Don't. Slow down. That may have been boring, just cut. Crap, I don't know how long this is. 2 minutes already? Crap. Alright guys, we're on the water. I'm gonna get a cool cam of me. Wait, I need to turn badly. Let's get out of the shallow end, guys.
Okay, me and Noah are going into the fountain.
We'll take turns. We brought some vanilla wafers with us in a cardboard box. So, yeah, just don't tip. That's the worst feeling. I'm getting the box wet. Crap. Here. Oh, snap, guys. I'm sorry. Here, let me just show you some. I'm just stopping so I can film this kid. Here. Here he goes. That's... I'm not going to say it. Look at him go into the fountain. He's yelling, ow. No, Daddy! No! No! He just got soaked. Oh, this is wonderful. Hey, guys, so I want... I know it was. Let's get some intense time lapse of me rowing to Noble.
Okay, Noah's gonna be going into that fountain over there. He's savage. He's doing it. He's getting it. Getting it.
Oh, this is stupid!
It's awesome! He's about to get so stoked. I did it so many times. It's freaking wet as crap. Nose triggered. He's so soaked. Oh my gosh. Nose disappointed. Okay. I'm coming to get him. Oh, he's going again. He's going again. Pista. Okay. Anyway. Oh gosh, it's a loud noise. Noah, there's someone watching us. There's someone watching us up at the clubhouse. You probably can't see her, but she's watching. Move the kayak! Oh, there's someone been watching us. What? You thought it was accurate in the lake.
Yes, I did. Is it still filming?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do our outro.
Okay.
Alright, anyway. Thank you guys for watching. And see you tomorrow's.
Subscribe.
Yeah!
And follow us.
From one of our daily vlogs, I guess.
Yep. And turn on the notifications because it's bad.
We're gonna still stay out here for a little, but yeah.
Bye, guys. Peace.
Peace. Say bye, Noble.